Yourself, the video podcast series where I talk about my personal opinion on different topics. Very big thank you to all of you who showed me support in my previous videos, and I hope that you will continue to show me the support that you have showed me previously throughout my next videos as well. So today we are talking about discrimination. When you talk about discrimination, I'm pretty sure that you have come across different types of discrimination throughout your lifetime, like discrimination against the gender, discrimination against the age, discrimination against the place that you're living in, your nationality, the religion that you're believing in, so on and so forth. So is this discrimination really a thing that people should care about? Is this discrimination really a thing that people should get involved with? Very recently, that you must have seen a set of protests happening in United States, and that spread to the whole world pretty much, which was which was called the Black Lives Matter protests, which pretty much was a protest that showed support towards the African American people that were living in USA, African American citizens in USA who generally be discriminated for their skin color. So, is this something that should really be something like that within the society of today's? Because in a society which actually have evolved in many years, and where we believe where the humans are the most intelligent species in the world, is discrimination something that divides us? Is discrimination something that will separate us and will block us from where the heights that the humankind can reach to? What I basically want to say is all people are people. Generally, all people are people. Like if I have something that someone else does not have, it does not mean that someone else is demeaning their I. So that particular person might have something that I do not have. That particular person might have knowledge in some subject that I do not have. That particular person might have experience that I do not have. So just by looking at from one perspective, one subject line, it does not mean that that particular person is at a lower level than you. So why can't everybody think like that? Why can't everybody think of all the people as same? It does not. This particularly does not mean that you should be at the same level as in like the monetary wise or the materialistic things that you are using. It does not mean that everybody should be equal in that. But what I try to emphasize here is that all the people do have their own levels of life standards, own levels of things that they are born with. Their gender, more probably they cannot change. Their skin color, their religion, their ethnicity, the place that they are born with, their parents, the jobs of their parents, the job that they are doing. All those things are unique to that particular person. All those things are stuff that particular person actually born with, grown up with, or turned out to be. And basically that person is made up of everything, all those things. So if you are going to discriminate that particular person just because of that particular person uses something what we generally classify to be a low class thing, does that mean that particular person has to live like that, or does that mean that particular person has to be discriminated and looked down at just because that person is using that particular thing, or believing that particular gender, or has been born at particular race, or believing in particular religion? So basically what you can do is be open-minded about that, and pretty much everywhere in the world, that's how the world balances. But like the salaries that you are earning, it can be different. The ranges of salary scales, the vehicle that you are using can be different from others. The things that you like, or the branded materials that you are using, purchasing, can be different than others, and some people might or might not be able to purchase those things, use those things, and utilize those things. But basically, if that person is living, if that person is trying to live, if that person is doing something and earning something for themselves and making a living out of that, that person is also someone who actually has a courage to stand up by themselves. Someone who has courage to work something out, someone who has courage to try and live out, someone who has courage to look after their families. So if you go ahead and discriminate them just because they are black, just because they are white, or just because they are females, or just because they are males, it's basically pretty dumb as far as I see it. So that is one point what I wanted to express where general discrimination happens. Specific set of discriminations that I would like to discuss more elaborately on the gender discrimination and the discrimination against the particular jobs that you guys are doing, like particular jobs that particular person is doing. Because I specifically speak about these two just because those two goes hand in hand. Like there is a myth or a belief that most of the people do believe that females cannot do certain types of jobs what the males can do, which pretty much have been turned out to be false, because many Fortune 500 companies are led by females, politicians are there who are females, all the females are doing all the jobs, all types of jobs that the males are doing. So it does not mean that you can discriminate a person just because that person is a female and think of that person as someone who will not be able to do a particular job. That actually should depend on the particular person's skill set or the educational background or everything like that, but does not have to be focused towards the gender. So just because that person is a female, if you feel that that person will not be able to do something, then I think you will have to step back and rethink of what your thoughts are. Just because that person is a female, if you are feeling like that. But if you give them a chance, and if you see that particular person, whether that's a female or a male, will be able to do that particular job, maybe better than some other males, or maybe better than some other females, then I think that you will understand that it does not have to depend on the gender. Same goes to the jobs, because if you think that you are at a higher position, a senior level in a particular organization or whatever the place that you are working in, and think of other people who are at a lower designation, lower seniority, lower state of job, it does not mean that that person is at a lower level of life than you, because he also has the same life, he also lives in the same country, he also lives in the same environment as you, and he also has to spend the same amount of money to live, basically the cost of living. And just because that person is getting a lower grade of salary, or that particular person is being dressed as a lower level employee or a team member, it does not mean that that person should be discriminated based on that. But if you can open up with them, if you can let them speak to you, and if you can be friendly with them, if you can listen to them, if you can talk with them freely, then you will understand that those people do also have a beautiful human inside them. And just because maybe you will understand that you have been missing out something beautiful, something that you can learn, something that you can understand, something that you can add on to your life that you have been missing out by just opening up with them, and just putting your ego out, putting your ego aside, and just if you go ahead and talk with them. So those things, if you can just think of people as people, same as you, just because you are using a Nike shoe pair and the other one is using a replica of Nike, it does not mean that that person is at a lower level. That person also has a likeness towards Nike maybe. but that person cannot afford it at that point of life, so they are going for something else, and just because they like it, they are using it. It does not mean that that person has to be looked down at. But the basic idea of the whole discussion today is to let you open up and let you think of other people as just people. So everybody is a person, everybody is a life that who is struggling in their own ways to win their life. And whether you are born in a rich family, whether you are born in a poor family, whether the environment that you grew up in is different, it does not mean that that particular person will not succeed in life. If they try enough, they will succeed in life. If they does not try enough, they will end up at somewhere. But still, those people are also people. So if you can open up yourself, and if you can think of everyone as equals, everyone as the same level of people that you can see, despite of whatever the materialistic things that you have, or whatever the things that you are born with, or whatever the things that you believe in or selects in your life, then maybe we will be able to create a world and where everyone is living peacefully, everyone is working for the betterment of the humankind as a whole, not just a particular set of humans, not just a particular set of people, and maybe then we will be able to step ahead as a humankind, and maybe we can prove that we are the most intelligent species in the world. So that's the basic thing that I wanted to talk about on the discrimination. If I am to talk about on discrimination categories, if I say like that, it would take pretty much a long time. But the basic idea here is to kind of open up yourself and think of everyone as equals, and think of every person as another person who is trying to live their life. So that's it for today, and I hope that I will be able to see you again soon with another video. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for the support that you have shown me. So see you. Bye bye.